Okay, let's do a little reminder on a script, and then also I want to teach you guys at the same time how to print some text to the command line. So here I am on our lecture page, and I'm just gonna, whenever you shouldn't be shy to just copy some of these commands, and then we'll go down here to MATLAB. I've got a editor open, so I can just paste, and we want to augment the comments here, but in the interest of time, I'm going to leave this as it is. So now I just say save, and this is going to be my hello world script. So I'll say save. Now if I go to the command here, I can say hello world. So pretty obvious, but let's go back and look a little bit more closely. So what you can see is the main command uses fprintf, and this is basically prints something to the command window, and it uses a similar format for a lot of commands or functions that print text. And so we have the text in quotes, so hello world, and then when there's a slash, it means do something special. So in this case, make a new line. So it's just going to print hello world, and then it comes around and gives us a new line. If you don't do that, it sometimes stays stuck, and you can't sort of get out of the command there. It's nice because sometimes when you calculate a number, you want to print it out in a way that you can read. And so here this one says here is a number equals percent dot 3f. That was the formatting. And then you see this new line, and then the number 2.5. So let's figure out what's that going to do. Let's just run it. So remember, I can always just push the... Alright, so here let's look at this command, and with the opportunity to put the number in it. So what you can see was it said here is a number equals 2.5 and then 0, 0, and that was the formatting. So if we go back to the script, you can see, okay, so %.3f, that was the formatting, new line. So 2.5 is the number that's going to drop in this little placeholder, and the %.3f is the formatting, and it kind of leaves space there for our number, and the 0.3 says how many decimal places to the right of the period. So that's what we had the 2.500. Okay, let's look at even richer behavior of the fprintf command. So the second one here, same as before, but we had, and here is its half. So I was able to take that number and divide it by 2 on the fly, and this is the beauty of our of the fprintf command. If you go back, you can see here's the second placeholder, and I've just taken that 2.5 and divided it by 2. So what's really powerful is instead of dropping the numbers explicitly into those spots, we can put variables in. So let's just call this x equals, let's say 10 in this case, and if I just put an x here and a second one there, save it, you can see 10 and 5. So very nice computation on the variables on the fly, and then printing to the screen in a readable manner.